On the left hand side is a panel with some of the applications that you can launch. So now we are going to open Firefox, which is this application here, and then go for Kali Linux, search for Kali Linux, app resource file, and then click on the first one, Kali sources list repositories. Now you need to copy this link and paste it into this file here. So to open this file, you click on the text editor and then click open, other documents, and then navigate to other locations, double click computers, go to etc, and then apt sources list. So open this file, and then you're supposed to paste this here. So I've already pasted mine here. If you haven't got this line, so you need to copy this and paste it over here. Right click and paste it over here. After that, click on save. Now this line here is important if you are going to install any new programs in future. So the package manager that is used in Kali is called apt. So the next thing we need to do is now open the terminal. We can close this. Click in this terminal icon, and then you can now run the command apt. You need to type apt-get update. Now apt-get update will read the file which you just inserted just now, which is this file. You read this line and then go and fetch the information from this location and update all the resources where you can download programs or packages. It is not going to install anything, it's just updating your sources, that's all. So let's press enter. And it's finished doing the apt-get update. And so now if you are going to install anything, you can just use apt-get. Now if you are going to install something, for example any program, you just type apt-get. Let's say I want to install another program called Terminator. So I type apt-get install Terminator and press enter. And now it knows where to go and look for this program called Terminator because you already updated the resource. So now it will ask you whether you want to continue. If you press yes and press enter, it will go ahead and download the Terminator program and install it for you. Terminator is an improvement over the normal terminal program. So I will encourage you to install Terminator as well, as I will be using this quite a bit in this course. So now it has finished install Terminator. So in this course, you have learned how to update your apt by including the file, the source where you can go and look for programs, and also you have learned how to actually update the sources using the apt-get update command. And also you have learned how to install a program by using the apt-get install command. So that's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.